Hello guys, in this video we are going to solve past board sums of arithmetic progression. This will make you prepared for the ICSE boards 2026. So let's start. This is the 2025 question. The first term of an arithmetic progression is 5, last term is 50 and the sum is 440. Find the number of terms and the common difference. So we have written the data over here. A is 5, first term is 5, last term is 50. Sum of first n terms is 440. Now we have to find first number of terms. So let's use this formula. We have a formula called Sn equal to n by 2 a plus l. So we have all the data except n. We have to find n, which is number of terms. So we'll just plug in the values now. 440 equal to n by 2, 5 plus 50. We get 2, we can take the here, 440 multiplied by 2 upon 55 comes here equal to n. 5 multiplied by 88, then 11 8s are. So n is 8 into 2, which is 16. So n is equal to 16. So we have found the number of terms. Next, common difference. For nth term, we have the formula Tn equal to a plus n minus 1d. Now, let's plug in 50. Last term 50 is equal to 5 plus n is 16. So 15 multiplied by d. We'll take the 5 over here, we'll get 45. 45 upon 15. So d is equal to 45 upon 15. We'll get 5 3s are, 5 9s are, 3 3s are. So d is equal to 3. So final answer is A, n equal to 16, B, d equal to 3. Next we have 2024 sum. Nth term of an AP is given by this relation. Find first term and common difference and sum of its first 25 terms. Let's focus on the first one, first term and common difference. So we already have a formula of Tn. So we'll just plug in n as 1 to get the first term. So T1 will be the first term. If you want the second term, we'll just put n as 2, we'll get the second term. So let's find the first term. So T1 will be, instead of n, we just write 1. 6 multiplied by 7 minus 1, which is T1 equal to 6 into 6, 36. This is T1. Let's find the second term. So we can get any term T3, T4 by just substituting n with that number. T2 will be 6, 7 minus 2. Therefore T2 will be 6 5 are 30. Now we have the first term and the second term. The common difference will be just the subtraction. So second term minus first term. So D will be T2 minus T1. Therefore D will be 30 minus 36. Therefore T equal to minus 6. So we have found the first term and the common difference. Let's move on to B1. Sum of its first 25 terms. So we'll use the formula of sum. So the sum of first n terms. So Sn formula is Sn is equal to n by 2, 2a plus n minus 1d. We'll just substitute the values here to get the Sn, which will be, Sn will be, n is 25, 25 by 2, 2a will be 2 multiplied by 36 plus n minus 1, 24 into minus 6. Okay, we'll continue over here. We get Sn equal to 25 upon 2 in bracket 72 plus into minus, which will be 120 plus 24, 144 equal to When we subtract, we get 25 upon 2 multiplied by minus 72. We get minus 72. We can cancel this. So we will get 25 multiplied by minus 36, which is minus 900. So the answer A, T1 equal to 36, D equal to minus 6, and B, Sn equal to minus 900. 2023-1, the fifth and ninth term of an AP are 4 and minus 12 respectively. Find first term and common difference. First, what we'll do, we'll use the Tn formula, nth term formula. Any general nth term is equal to A plus n minus 1d. We have been given fifth term is 4, ninth term is minus 12. So we'll write T5, which means fifth term is equal to 4 and T9 is equal to minus 12. So we can make two equations out of this. So we'll write here. Okay, so the T5 will become A plus 5 minus 1, 4, 4D is equal to 4. And T9 is A plus 9 minus 1D, which is 8D, equal to minus 12. Now, these are the two equations. This is the first equation. This is the second equation. We have to find A and D values, first term and common difference. So we can solve this simultaneously to find the A and D values, because there are two unknowns and we have two equations. So let's solve that. Let's subtract both the equations. So LHS we'll subtract. So we'll get A plus 4D minus the whole A plus 8D equal to 4 minus or minus 12, which is 4 plus 12, which is 16. So we subtracted LHS minus LHS equal to RHS minus RHS. So A plus 4D minus A plus 8D and 4 minus or minus 12, which is 16. Now let's open the brackets. A plus 4D minus A minus 8D. A gets cut, equal to 16. We get minus 4D equal to 16. Therefore, D equal to 16 upon minus 4, which is minus 4. Therefore, D equal to minus 4. Now we got this. We can plug in any of the equation. So let's plug it in this. So we get A plus 4 into minus 4 equal to 4. So A plus should be minus A minus 16 equal to 4. Therefore, A equal to 4 plus 16, which is 20. So the final answer is first term A is 20 and common difference is minus 4. Thank you guys for watching. Click here to watch the full playlist of Boards Mastery series.